Like faster.
Ah, no, because slowly. Make sure there is no flour on the bottom. So scratch the flour.
Okay. Split the bottom.
Show 'em how I keep it hot.
Happy Valentine's Day!
It's Valentine's Day.
Yay!
It's actually the day after after our New York trip.
Yeah, we just got back last night.
Yep.
And we're celebrating Valentine's Day today in South Orange County.
San Juan Capistrano.
San Juan Capistrano. And Frank bought a little, what do you call that?
Cooking class.
A cooking class tonight.
A couple's Valentine's Day cooking class.
Yeah, we actually did this a few years ago and it was really fun, so we decided to do it again. So
And it's bring your own wine.
yeah, so yeah, we're walking in right now. It's gonna be a 3-hour class, so and then we'll take you guys along through the whole cooking process.
Yeah.
All right. They look like croissants.
Like having keep
Oh, go for it.
Your band. This is hot. Happy Valentine's Day!
We're all done.
Yeah,
We actually made a delicious meal.
we did. We made a wine-infused chicken. No, chicken-infused. No, chicken in wine.
Raisins and wine sauce.
Yeah. We made puff pastries. We made mashed potatoes.
These little puffs, so we put ice cream in them.
And we made squash soup.
Yeah, bisque.
Bisque, yeah. It was really good. We had a bottle. We brought a bottle of wine, and we met our cooking mates, I guess. They bought another bottle, so we all shared. It was really cool.
And
Yeah.
we looked at this little wine place next door, so we had a glass of wine while we were waiting.
It was fun. It was fun.
Valentine's Day.
Happy V-Day. He could be romantic at times. It was fun. We had a great time.
It was.
Yeah. So if you're in Orange County, TSpoon's is San Juan Capistrano. It's a southern part of Orange County.
Yeah. It's a cool place to go a cooking class.
Yeah. We'll leave the description and the link below. So check them out if you're in Orange County.
Like and subscribe, please. Hit the little bell if you want to.
Ding.
The bell's down
Ding.
there, I think.
It's like over there.
Is it?
It's like over there. The bell's there.
That's a sidewalk.
No, that's the subscribe button right on that too. Right there.